culture, its definition and theories. Larson and Smalley described culture as a blueprint that guides the behavior of people in a community. So when we talk about culture, basically it's a social behavior and norms that are found in a particular society or among group of a particular community. So culture is basically a reflection of ideas, concepts, social behavior, beliefs, religious beliefs, social values, and all these things actually constitute culture. So if in simple word, it basically reflects particular code of life of a particular group of people or a particular society. So it governs our behavior in groups, makes us sensitive to matter of status. So, and that comes from our own perception, our own understanding of our particular beliefs and ideologies, and it helps us know what others expect of us in terms of our social norms, our social practices, what is expected of us as far as other people are concerned, and what will happen if we do not live up to their expectations. So it actually reflects a complete code of life that is expected in a society, that is expected of a society in terms of dealing with other societies. So let's discuss some of the theoretical understanding of points that are there in terms of theoretical understanding of culture. The fact that no society exists without a culture reflects the need for culture to fulfill certain biological and psychological needs in people, which include food, air, shelter, warmth, etc. Cognitive need, which basically refers to knowledge and understanding of self-actualization, etc. Culture establishes for each person a context of cognitive and affective behavior, a template for personal and social existence. We tend to perceive reality within the context of our own culture, a reality that we have created. So basically, establishment of one's own context with regard to cognitive and affective behavior. The last point is that culture is quite evident as an ingrained set of behavior and modes of perception, becomes highly important in the learning of second language. The language is a part of culture. Language is a tool or vehicle to demonstrate the practices of a culture, and culture is a part of language. The acquisition of second language is also the acquisition of second culture. So when the language learning takes place, the cultural learning also takes place simultaneously. To conclude, culture is a way of life. It is the context within which we exist, think, feel, and relate to others. It is actually a kind of glue that binds a group of people together.